Hi, this is Zach Mead from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some single stocks on Wednesday, the 28th of September. Starting off with BHP Billiton and rising trend channel here with the island reversal, or the gap to the upside and this island top here. Basically looking like it's a continuation feature. Should take the shares up towards £11.80 over the next couple of weeks, while there's no end-of-day close back below the 10-day moving average at 10.55. Any dips towards the 10-day line currently regarded as buying opportunities. Next up, Dixons Carphone rather. Looked like it was rolling over even just last week, but the way it's going as things stand, there's a possibility that we're in a rising trend channel here, which will continue the post-June recovery. If you're looking for a buy trigger, probably the best one would be an end-of-day close above the 20-day moving average at £3.70. That should take the shares up towards the 200-day moving average of 409 over the following month or so. Smaller stock to look at next comes in the form of a media group. Here we've got the breakout. We have a gap to the upside, but the overall push here looks to be positive. We've got a rising trend channel that you can draw from from March, basically, and while we're above the 50-day moving average there at 31.17 pence, the target here towards 55 or even 60 pence at the top of this rising trend channel. Going on to another minnow of Tala. Here we can see that there's been a very, very strong uptrend or breakout since the Golden Cross in May. That suggests that we should continue to look for further gains towards 16 pence, even though we've already come up a long way, and that target valid while there's no end-of-day close back below the 10 and 20-day moving averages around 12.5 pence. Moving on to the bigger stocks again, Petrofac, stock in the news this morning. Here we've got a rising trend channel that you can draw from the end of June, as in the case of many blue chip companies. Top of the channel there, up to £9.30, and that's a target that's valid while there's no end-of-day close back below the 50-day moving average at 819 pence. Time frame on the upside move the next 1 to 2 months. Next to stock Minnow, which has been requested for the inclusion here. We've got Redex Pharma. Gap through the 50-day moving average last month, another gap as well through the 200-day line. Looking towards progress within a rising trend channel that you can draw from the earlier part of last month, heading towards 80 pence, and that target value while there's no break back below the 10-day moving average at 47.97 at the moment. Finishing off with Sainsbury's, where it's all about like-for-like sales these days. Bad failure there at the 200-day moving average, £2.51. While we're below that, one would say there was a risk at least of a test for support at the 50-day average at 237, and probably back towards 220, which was the initial August floor. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.